Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Charlie from CR3 Home Services. Hey, I'm finna change out an old shower head to a new shower head, and I'm gonna show y'all the tools and material to get. You really just need one tool, and you just need one material pretty much, and just have your new shower head. And let's get it. I'm finna show y'all how to do it. Let me show y'all the old shower head I'm finna change out right here. This the old one. This how the old one look. Yeah, this right here, y'all, is the material that y'all gonna need. This right here is the shower head, the new shower head that we're gonna install. This right here is Teflon tape that goes over the plumbing. This right here is what you need. The tool that you need is called channel locks. That you take the old one off and install a new one. Install a new one on with. Alright, y'all. So now I'm finna take the old one off and use my channel locks to grip the old one and take it off just like this. Just make sure your channel lock's right. And grip it. Grip it right where that seal part is. Then once you get a good bite on there, you can kind of just twist it off after that. And then just twist off. Boom. Alright, y'all, this had a shower look without a shower head that's not on there. Pretty much this was where the Teflon tape goes, where there's grips and stuff is there right there on that piping. So I'm gonna show y'all how I Teflon tape it up. And then after that we can install the shower head. And I'll show y'all how to do that as well. Alright. Hey y'all, this Teflon tape right here. I already broke a piece off already. Show y'all how to put it on. You just basically just put it on this grip, pretty much, and just go around with it. Don't put too much on there because you want the shower head to fit on there too. So, all right, boom, there it is. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. This is the shower head right here, and the channel locks right here. You really can just hand tighten it first. I'm gonna show y'all what to do. Pretty much, stick it on, go clockwise with it. Then when you can't tighten it no more, use the channel locks to get the extra tightness that it needs so it won't be leaking or dripping out when you're running it. Boom. And boom. And that's how y'all install the shower head.